At ay mga woo-wee. Bibigay. Cheesecake Factory. Ano yun, boss? Ooh, fancy.
Yeah.
Good.
I'm gonna clear this out of the way for you, okay?
Thank you. Palang menu rito. Ito yung mga ilan sa mga pamosong cheesecake nila. Kung wala kang diabetes, ito sigurado napipinto na magkaroon ka ng diabetes. Ayan.
Would you like chicken or no chicken?
Alright.
Do you want the cheesecake right now? Or do you want
Later.
later?
Ayan ang loob, parang hotel. Dahil pala hindi na tayo order, meron sa kabilang lamesa. Sayang. Yan, tinapay. Okay. Oh, the butter. Yan pala ang paumpisa nila, tinapay. Kumain natin itong puti.
Tigas yan.
Makunat. Ano pa akong maganda dito?
Fettuccine.
Fettuccine chicken. What do you have, baby? What's that? Oh. Dami yun.
Dami.
Sambak yata na nilagay sa iyo eh.
Parang galit na galit mo. Sinabi mo kakao. Sige. Ano naman ang kinong?
That's my Marilag from the west. Eh, mga Italiano.
Yeah. Bakit?
Man naman natin ito kay Ragatoni. Yeah. Huh? That's Ragatoni, you said. Huh? May konting hanghang. Pati na lang.
Tulungan mo ko, bebe.
Hmm?
Punta na rin.
Yeah. Huh?
Something's missing in here.
The person need to finish that. That's the missing part.
Parang may kulang. Parang pa ba?
No?
Natapos mahal. Hindi niya nakuha yung panlasa.
Ano?
It's like juice. You know juice, it's like that.
That's why they give me this one, the white one.
Hindi ka pa kinulit-uli na kayo.
Hindi. Siguro wala na siyang oras or panahon. Ay, boss, thank you. Alright. Finally, dumating. Ayan. Alright. The one, the only cheesecake. In-order pala natin na yung original. Ayan. Maganda ka sa. May ano pa. Ano tawag nito, babe?
No, I mean,
Hey, baby, what do you call this? This one?
whipped cream.
Oh, whipped cream. Yan.
Late.
Tingnan na natin. O masyadong maano? Hindi masyadong masigar? Nag-sharo na naman yung bata ko. Yeah. Para sa kinabukasan. I asked Kelly what flu she has. The doctor said there's an A and B, right?
Yeah. What's she have?
He said
Go.
he doesn't know.
Wait, how do you know what you
I don't know. Because the doctor said, right?
said it depends on the symptom. Oh, I think I got flu B.
Huh?
Because it's nose and throat. Nose and throat and lungs.
Me too. I get nose, throat, and what's it?
I don't have the nose.
Lungs? What do you have?
Nose, throat, lungs. I only have the...
What happened to the lungs? Coughing
Yeah.
or phlegm?
Yeah. All, both,
Oh.
all the above.
So you have the B.
I know it.
Oh, so like you. Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating isa na namang makabanata.
I think we have these two because we don't have cereal.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Get silver.
Maraming po salamat. Turistang ko Tom, signing off. Ang nakakaawa nangyari sa cheesecake. Kaya na natin yan, kawa. Ito eh.
Time to take a video kayo.
You gotta wrap this one, alright. That's it, I'm gonna be a copyright, there's a song.
How you did not turn this?